Hi friends, this is going to be an interesting Tech Tip Tuesday because I'm going to ask you for help on this one. I've got a plan file in Chief Architect Premiere version X15 because this is from a client who had created a monolithic slab foundation. Now, interestingly, the walls, if I select this wall, you can see where, let's open this up and go to wall types. That's an 8-inch concrete stem wall. The foundation, the footing, I should say, is stepped outside of the foundation. So when I go to drag a dimension line, say a end to end, let's try a point to point dimension line, see if that does it. It doesn't do it. It's the same as end to end. It goes to my footing size. Now I got this 2910 and an eighth to work by changing the foundation to a regular stem wall structure, and I unchecked monolithic slab and it created this. I thought, okay, let's just drag it back to the foundation wall. It only picks up the footing, the inside of the footing, the outside, the center, and inside of the footing. It does not, well, center of the wall too, but it does not pick up the wall as a location to measure to. I thought, let's check the wall types. Define that wall type. That's a main layer, not an exterior layer. Layer properties, wall properties. I'm kind of baffled at what this does. So I went and created a new plan with my template and created a foundation with a stem wall, and then changed this to a monolithic slab here. The difference is that I'm not, for some reason, it's not removing this interior wall line for the foundation, so I'm not quite sure how this foundation was created. But I get no problems measuring foundation to foundation. Now I could select all of these and let's go with foundation aligned on outside, and you know that works too, but I'm not sure what setting I'm missing to be able to, like I said, if I change this from monolithic to this, let's make sure I got all of those settings here. Room supplies, monolithic, build foundation, yeah. Now I can dimension end to end, wall to wall. Change this back to slab, monolithic, slab, and it works. But if I select this line, it goes to the footing and back to the center of the wall and inside of the footing, not to the wall itself. Curiosity. Any thoughts? What settings am I missing? Thanks for watching. Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. Click like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.